Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, this beautiful Saturday, I got another lock. I pinned myself again. It's not too crazy of a bitting on the key. Pinned this one up last weekend while I was at work. So, I'll go ahead and see if I can get this open for you. Let's see. There it is. There we go. Let me see if I hope everybody's having fun today. Having a good time. It's going to be a nice day. Everybody be outside. And I gotta go to work in a couple hours. So. Some of these locks I pin up, I don't really have an easy time opening them. These are all high pins, so I'm going to go ahead and try a different pick. Try my gem, see if that helps. Got a whole bunch of crunching going on there. I'm not really feeling anything. Not really feeling a turn on the core this time. But let's see. Get this camera angle a little better here too. That's not really showing a whole lot, is it? You gotta have an overset somewhere. Keep on trying, I guess. been pretty hot here in Pennsylvania the last couple of days. Been up over 90 degrees. I don't know where it's been in other parts of the world and where everybody else is in the community, but if it's hot, everybody's staying hydrated. Sure, I'm going to get air conditioning calls out the wazoo today. One of the problems with me when it comes to picking is that my hand goes numb a lot when I'm picking for a bit. I don't know if anybody else has that problem or not, but I sure do. Can't tell if I'm picking the pry bar or that's Kitty coming to say hello to everybody. I'm in a full set right now. Go into this full set and then this lock just stops talking to me. Try picking it the other way. No. Oh wow, that's probably part of my problem. Whatever I did to this lock right here, pin 1 doesn't want to move. Pin 1's all jammed up in here. There it goes. Okay. Now let's see what we get. That feels a little better. There we go. We got it open. Well, get my get my tray out from over here. technical difficulties with the phone. And here we go. I got the key, so I'm gonna lock it back up. Works nice and smooth. I'm gonna lock it back up. We're gonna see what I put in here, because this was last week, and I probably did about 4 or 5 of them last week, so it's hard to say what I put in these. Because I just pretty much go to town and start playing with them, and alright. So anyway, yeah, there's that pin 1 stuck. We'll go backwards. Pin 5 is a standard. Pin 4 is some kind of serrated mushroom type pin that I made. Pin 3 is a serrated, I don't know what you want to call these pins, but I'll show them all to you now I'm done here. And like I said, I did all this last weekend, so that was a T-pin. That was a lot of the problem. Must have been getting hung up in there. So, but I gotta tell you guys how that is. So we've all had it happen. Turn that the right way. Yeah, so my wife took little guy to the grocery store this morning, so I figured I'd take a chance and get a lock picked here on video. Get everybody, sorry. A little bit of relaxation for myself before I have to go into work and deal with fixing all these air conditioners that are going to break today. It's probably going to be another hot one here. I swear we did have spring for a day. And we went right to summer. Right. So, anyway, in the core, not that I think that you can see it too well, because I think there's too much lighting around, but I got 2, 3, and 4 threaded in there. And this I know you're not going to be able to see too well, but I got 5 threaded, 3 threaded, and 1 threaded. Excuse me. And I'm going to show you the things I got here. Like I said, this guy here was my hold up. He's a little T-pin kind of thing made. Looks like he got a little bent. with this right here. Gotta say, some of these pins are a lot of fun to make. Now the phone just wants to focus. There we go. And then we got this pin here, which is upside down. With a standard. And I decided to make this bad boy here and then we got nothing too special here, just serrations. This one here. This isn't what I was going for when I made this, but I said, that's good enough, and I threw it in there with a standard driver. Standard key pin, and then this deep spool here with a serration on it. All steel springs. You know, that's my lock. So anyway, everyone, I hope y'all have a good day. If it's hot, stay hydrated, stay cool if you can, and remember, don't break the law and pick on.